Welcome to my in-depth review of PrizeRebel. If you're looking for a way to earn rewards online, you might have come across this website. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's take a closer look. PrizeRebel is a rewards platform that allows users to earn points by completing simple tasks like surveys, offers, watching videos, and more. For each task completed, you earn points, which can later be redeemed for a variety of rewards including gift cards, PayPal cash, and other prizes. The process of signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, you can start earning almost immediately. But is it as good as it seems? One of the main attractions of PrizeRebel is the variety of ways to earn points. From filling out surveys to watching videos, there's something for almost everyone. Some tasks are very quick and easy, while others take more time. However, the points earned for these tasks can vary greatly. For example, surveys might offer anywhere from a few points to several hundred depending on the length and complexity. The website is user-friendly, with an easy-to-navigate dashboard where you can track your progress. But not everything is perfect. Some users have reported issues with survey disqualifications, which can be frustrating if you've already invested time into a survey, only to be told you don't qualify after answering several questions. In my experience, I've seen this happen a few times, which can be a bit of a letdown. Another point to consider is the payout threshold. PrizeRebel requires you to accumulate a minimum number of points before you can redeem them for rewards, and depending on the reward type, this threshold can be quite high. For example, if you're aiming for a PayPal payout, you might need 500 points, which can take a while to accumulate if you're only doing small tasks. However, the reward options are generally worth the wait, and once you hit that threshold, the payoff process is pretty straightforward. But let's be honest, there's a downside too. While PrizeRebel does offer a variety of rewards, some users have complained that it takes longer than expected to reach a high enough points total to redeem for larger rewards. The surveys can sometimes be repetitive, and the offers may not always be as high-paying as they first seem. This means it might not be the best option if you're looking to make quick money, but it can work if you're looking for a way to earn in your spare time. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In terms of customer support, I found PrizeRebel to be responsive, but there were a few delays in getting answers during high-demand periods. The FAQ section is detailed, so you might find answers to your questions there. But if you're facing an issue, you might have to wait a bit longer than usual. Overall, PrizeRebel can be a good way to earn some extra cash or rewards if you're willing to put in the time. The variety of earning options is a huge plus, and the payout process is smooth once you meet the threshold. However, the occasional survey disqualification and the time needed to accumulate points for larger rewards might be deterrents for some users. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make a little extra money online in your free time, PrizeRebel is worth checking out. But if you're looking to make quick cash, this might not be your best bet. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on other reward platforms and money-making opportunities.